Hello, my name is Pumika, and this lesson is going to be about functions of proteins and nucleic acids. Let us dive right in. We're going to begin with functions of proteins. Antibodies. They are specialized proteins which are involved in defending the body from antigens. Foreign invaders. Any foreign particle can be considered as an antigen. They can travel through the bloodstream and are utilized by the immune system to identify and defend against bacteria, viruses, and other foreign intruders. One way antibodies counteract antigens is by immobilizing them so that they can be destroyed by the white blood cells. White blood cells are the main cells that are secreted by the immune system, and they are responsible for producing the immune response. Contractile proteins. These are responsible for movement. Examples include actin and myosin. These proteins are involved in muscle contraction and movement. Thirdly, enzymes are proteins that facilitate biochemical reactions. Almost all the biochemical reactions require enzyme for their propagation. They are often referred to as catalysts because they speed up the chemical reactions. Examples include the enzymes lactase and pepsin. Lactase breaks down the sugar lactose found in milk, and pepsin is a digestive enzyme that works in the stomach to break down proteins in food. Hormonal proteins are messenger proteins which help to coordinate certain bodily activities. Examples include insulin, oxytocin, and somatotropin. Insulin regulates glucose metabolism by controlling the blood sugar concentration. Oxytocin stimulates the contractions in females during childbirth, basically parturition. Somatotropin is a growth hormone that stimulates protein production in muscle cells. Structural proteins. These are fibrous and stringy and provide support. They are keratin, collagen, and elastin. Keratin is found in hair. Keratins, they strengthen the protective coverings such as skin, hair, quills, feathers, horns, and beaks. Storage proteins. They store amino acids. They include oval albumin, casein, and ferritin. Oval albumin is found in egg whites, and casein is a milk-based protein, and it's usually found in infants. Ferritin stores iron in hemoglobin. Then we've got transport proteins, and these are carrier proteins which move molecules from one place to another around the body. Examples include hemoglobin and cytochromes. Hemoglobin transports oxygen through blood via red blood cells. Cytochromes operate in electron transport chain as electron carrier proteins. Now, let's get into functions of nucleic acids. Now, the main function of nucleic acids is to store and transfer genetic information. DNA is something that we've received from our parents and we're going to pass on to our own children. So it stores hereditary information, and it's pretty important in determining the genetic characters of an individual. To use the genetic information to direct the synthesis of new protein, the deoxyribonucleic acid is the storage for place of genetic information in the cell. DNA also controls the synthesis of RNA in the cell. The genetic information is transmitted from DNA to the protein synthesizers in the cell. RNA also directs the production of new protein by transmitting genetic information to the protein building structures. Now, the function of nitrogenous bases in the sequences in the DNA backbone determines the proteins being synthesized. The function of the double helix of the DNA is that no disorders occur in the genetic information if it is lost or damaged. RNA directs synthesis of proteins. mRNA takes genetic message from RNA. tRNA transfers activated amino acid to the site of protein synthesis, and RNAs are mostly present in the ribosomes, and they're responsible for the stability of mRNA. So as you can see, these are usually important. The nucleic acids, they're usually important in protein synthesis and in heredity. So that was all about this lesson. It was very theoretical and there was no need of diagrams. I hope you enjoyed it. You may also check out the other lessons. This whole course is based on biochemistry, so even if you miss one lesson, you're going to miss the other one in the series. Thank you.